I'm Lauren of All Trades, and today I'm doing a cabin tour. Today we are on the Carnival Jubilee, and we are booked in a spa cabin, specifically a Cove Balcony spa cabin, which are all of those are on deck 5 on the Jubilee. And it should get us some access to some stuff in the spa. I think maybe some discounts, some other benefits. I'll find out during the cruise. But right now we are just checking out the cabin. I'm going to do a separate video specifically about the spa. And so let's go check out the cabin. So that was my Spa Cove Balcony cabin on the Carnival Jubilee. We really enjoyed this cabin, not just the cabin itself, which was pretty nice. All the cabins are smaller than like their equivalent on the previous class of ships, which is a little disappointing, but they did a lot with the space that they left. One of the things in particular that's weird, and it's specific to the Cove balconies, the regular balconies weren't as affected by the balcony being skinnier than on previous ships, is that they bought the same chairs and tables for outside on the balcony. So if you have those lined up the way that they set them up, which is chair, table, chair, you can't open the balcony door because there isn't enough space, where that was not the case on the previous ship class. The regular balconies don't have that problem because they have a sliding door, but because of the location being low on the ship, they had to keep the swinging door on the Cove balconies, and it hits the chair. But I did solve it. I figured out that if you do like a corner thing with the chairs and the table, you're able to leave the chairs and the table where they are, use the table like a side table, and be able to come and go through the door. So this is our first time in a spa cabin, so I don't have it memorized, all the benefits that you're supposed to get, so I'm gonna read it. So the first thing that's listed is a unique welcome ritual, and we asked about this. They had no idea what we were talking about, and then they gave us the scrub kit. And then there's a QR code. There's a paper with a bunch of QR codes in the cabins, and I scanned the one for my stateroom benefits, and it doesn't list the welcome ritual on there. So I don't know what that is. Maybe I'll do a spa cabin on a different ship and I'll figure it out, but I don't know what that is. We didn't do any treatments, so I didn't take advantage of the priority spa reservations. We took a lot of advantage of the unlimited thermal suite benefit. I don't know why that's plural. Use of the thermal suites. I guess maybe that includes not just the area that has the hot tub, but also the sauna and the steam rooms. We use the hot tub a lot. We really liked having access to that. And I'll talk about that more in my spa review video, linked right here and in the description and at the end of this video. Stick with me. All right, so another one is 2 complimentary fitness classes per guest. We wanted to take advantage of that one, but the classes are at 8 a.m. and 9 a.m., and we are not morning people, so that was a non-starter, unfortunately. And then we didn't have interest in the complimentary body composition analysis. We didn't do any treatments. We really liked having the bathrobes in our cabin, and I know that if you just ask your steward for bathrobes in any cabin on board, they'll give them to you, but it's nice that they're just already here, and because we're on the same deck as the spa, we would just walk right down the hall. I didn't feel ridiculous wearing my robe out around the ship. Upgraded Elemis in stateroom toiletries. This was a miss for us. I don't know if there's something good about these toiletries, but the main difference to me is that they have a lot of artificial scent added to them. So if you are someone who is sensitive to smells, don't use them, including the hand soap by the sink. So bring your own, or you can shower in the spa, which has the regular shampoo and body wash, and also has conditioner. It's the only place you can get conditioner on board. I didn't try them, but husband did. He appreciated that they weren't so highly scented. And then not listed on here is what I have nicknamed the warp elevator. So this ship is weird, and the spa is down here on deck 5, and so there are interior and cove balcony cabins down here as well. But because some people don't like cove balconies, they also have spa balcony cabins all the way up on deck 17. And I imagine there are also interior cabins up there as well. So because of those cabins up on deck 17, there are so many decks away from the spa, they put in a private elevator that you can only use, it is key card access, you can only use if you have probably a thermal pass, but in addition to a spa cabin. And it goes just from deck 5 to 17. And because it doesn't stop at any of the other floors, that means it goes much faster than the public elevators, even if there aren't that many people trying to get on them. So we took advantage of it, even though we are on deck 5, to go up to 17 and then either go down one deck to Lido to go out and get food, or we'd go up to 17 and go up one deck by stairs, which is a lot faster than the public elevators, to get to Serenity. So we really enjoyed being able to take advantage of that. And that was one of the reasons, one of my rationales for paying extra for the spa cabin was access to the elevator. I did look up the price difference of this cabin versus a regular Cove Balcony, and I looked up the price for the thermal pass, which has been fluctuating. I don't know if they just have been raising the price, but the day that I looked it up, it was about the same price if we had just paid for a thermal pass, which is $130 per person, or it was that day. That was about the difference in price for the cabin. So I guess we didn't really get to take advantage of anything else for the price. We got the robes already in our cabin. We were very close to the spa. So I don't know if I would do that again, or if I would just go for the thermal pass if I wanted to take advantage of those aspects and then get to pick my cabin wherever I wanted it to be. But yeah, if any of those other benefits are things that you would want, like the discounts on treatments, we're not spa people. Yeah, I guess I recommend it. It was kind of another reason that I booked it, was just to see, just to be able to recommend it or not. Regardless of our access to the spa, we did really like this location on the ship. We really liked that it was close to Java Blue. Even though we didn't really get lattes there, we actually didn't get lattes there because the line's always too long. It has a coffee station, and we liked being able to do that and not have to deal with getting room service in the morning. We could just go get it and bring it back and drink it on our balcony. And it had good proximity to some other stuff on board, and we've never really been in this area of a Carnival cruise ship before. That's it for me and my Spa Cove Balcony cabin on the Carnival Jubilee. The other benefits of the spa cabin, I have to go pull up.